Hi guys, we are going to see how to make some zucchini fritters. It's a very easy dish to do. I am going to show both veg and non-veg options on this. We need some basic zucchini grated, long grated ones, salt and pepper, a teaspoon of all chili powder, turmeric and garam masala. 1 teaspoon is more than enough. Gram flour approximately 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoon. And 1 piece of egg. This is for the non-veg option. So you're going to grate the zucchinis, then once it's done, add salt, salt it nicely, and then the pepper, and then add the masalas, turmeric powder, chili powder and garam masala into it and mix it nicely. Then we are going to separate it for one for veg and one for non-veg. This is the veg one, and this one we are going to use the egg in it. So we are going to break 1 egg into the mixture. And for the vegetarian option, in the once we are going to add around 1.5 tablespoon of gram flour. Based on the consistency, it should not be too liquidy. It should be almost a bit saucy. That would be the consistency now. And then the egg mixture, we are going to mix it up. Both will leave some water. You have to remove the water later on. And in a pan, heat it up lightly high. Some olive oil in it. Coat the pan completely, and then first the veg mixture, pat it into a nice pancake size. Leave it a bit thick. This is where it will be very soft, so you have to make sure that you make it a bit thicker. It will cook very fast, no need to worry about that. And once it's done from one side, around 1.5 minutes to 2, you can turn it. You get a nice golden brown look. Now the same recipe can be done with grated potatoes also, but for that you need to parboil the potatoes, half cook the potatoes, then grate it, and then the same method. Then now we are going to use the egg mixture one. Same method, same style, pat it into a pancake and cook it on both sides, approximately 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes on each side. It's more than enough because this is a very fast cooking dish. If you are going to use potatoes, then you are going to cook it for a bit more because the potato is only half cooked. So as you can see, this is the veg and this is the egg mixture. Some serving session, you can have it with some mint chutney, tomato ketchup on the bun with some cheese. It's up to you.